let's make an example. As always, we will do it with Plunker. So let's come here. I will do it from scratch. I have it already open, but let's do it. So we launch the editor. We create a new Angular 2 application. Yes. Okay. Good. So step 1. We have to check if the HTTP library is there. So here we can see that it's already imported for us. If we are in our own Node application or something, we should write this line, okay? Obviously pointing to your proper folder. Okay, step 1, done. The next one, we should go to the main.ts, and here, yeah, we are not importing the library, so let's do import HTTP providers from Angular 2 HTTP. Okay, with this we just said, okay, import this class from there. Now this is a dependency for Angular for our entire application. The HTTP provider is a dependency, so we pass it here. Remember, this is an array of dependencies, the external libraries that this application is using. Okay, and finally here we are ready to write some HTTP calls. So let's do yes, HTTP from Angular 2 HTTP. Yes, so that's it. Okay, so we can put here HTTP. Well, let's import also the HTTP provider here so it's more clear for you. So this is our providers. We put it here. So again, doing this is global for the full application, so everybody can use the HTTP providers. And if we do it this way, we import the HTTP provider here. We are just saying this component needs the HTTP providers to be injected. As always, we need here that Angular injects something for us, in this case the HTTP library. Yeah, and let's do something like get API data. This is going to be our function, and here we set this .http.get whatever is our API. Yeah, then we subscribe to the band of okay, we have data. Yes, so I will explain this in a minute. Okay, so we do something like this, and then yeah. Okay, so basically we will make a HTTP get to some API. Then we will subscribe to the result of this stream of data. This is the language of RxJS. So we subscribe to this string or this band, then we have a response, and then we could do something like this. res.json, and then this dot data res. Let's put here, for example, data, type any, that's it. Okay, I will remove this so it's more clear for you. Let's put here a button, yeah, so click get API data, click for getting data. Okay, so that's it, we have this. Okay, and finally, let's print the result here, for example, the data. Okay, if I haven't missed anything, let's see, click getting data. Yeah, obviously there is something missing here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we need an API URL. So here I have one from Slack API. It was the first one that I found for free, and it has to be HTTPS because we are using Plunker. If you are in your own container, in your own project, you could make a HTTP request, but Plonker in particular requires that we make a HTTPS request. So this was the first one that I found. Let's put it here. Okay, so yes, so now we are making a request. We are putting it here, and yeah, to display this nicely, let's do this. We pass it to a filter JSON. Yes, so we have this result. Okay, true. And this is what we were expecting from the API from them. Okay, so this is the way that we write HTTP requests. This is the most simplified version. Later on, in the full application that we will code, we will do much more complex examples with several observables and dispatching events everywhere. But this is what you have to be in mind. Yeah, just to recap, we import this. Then we said we want the providers. We put it in the providers injector, also in our constructor as always, and then we can use the API and subscribe to events. Okay, so see you in the next video.